We go now to a story of hope on the border of St. Elizabeth and Manchester. Even in their own misery, residents pulled together to assist a businessman whose establishment was damaged during the storm, or rather the hurricane. Antonia Atkinson has the details.
What you know as one of the favorite seafood hotspots here in St. Elizabeth, the Oswald Seafood Place, is not what you know it to be right now. As I take you around the corner, you will see exactly the impact Hurricane Melissa had on it. Now, as we enter the restaurant, it's normally covered, but right now there's no roof. Community members are here to help the owner as we will speak to him to see how exactly the impact has left him.
I feel bad in it, but I have to take it. And I can't control it. I'm preparing right now. I'm starting at it right now. Tomorrow I'm getting at it. I'm going to pull it down and start business. So I want it fast as ever. So I get no workman on it. And by Sunday, I want it in a business.
I'm surrounded by seagrass here at Oswald, something a lot of persons are not fond of. Now this right here, speaking with the owner, Mr. Oswald himself, he mentioned that this served as an act of God.
No, the seagrass helping. It brings grass. So without the grass, maybe nothing is on there.
Yeah. They say seagrass is helpful.
Yeah, seagrass is wonderful to me. I don't know who else but me glad for seagrass.
As you can see behind me, community members here at the Oswald restaurant, they're here helping Mr. Oswald, and I had to ask them, why did they come to help Mr. Oswald?
We want the players to get back quick for the food has stopped. You understand? The food store on bad. And we can't afford for that. For me, must say picking if we go back to school and someone is straighten up. So we just get everything together quick. We don't mind as possible. We get everything straightened up by Saturday.
As you heard from community members, it is not just Mr. Oswald that will need your help. This, St. Elizabeth, was one of the most affected areas. So if you can help someone, please reach out and help. I'm Antonia Atkinson, reporting for TVJ News.